Welcome back. I am here with form 27. This is the form dx by ax square plus b under root px square plus q. Look, here the quadratic is of the form where no term with x appears here. Okay. To solve this type of problem, always put x equals to 1 by z. This will be better. So let me start with the problem. Number 1, integration dx by x square into under root 1 plus x square. This goes with this problem, with this form. So let x is 1 by z, that implies dx is minus 1 by z square dz, minus dz by z square, then x square is 1 by z square, under root 1 plus 1 by z whole square. Okay, now this becomes this z square cancel, minus this will be z square plus 1 by z square, so z will be in the numerator and under root this will be z square plus 1. Now we can write this as, let me write one more step here, half integration d of 1 plus z square under root 1 plus z square. Look, this is 2z dz, 2 will be cancelled, so z dz. So this is ultimately equal to du by root u, u to the power minus half 2 root u. So this will be minus half into 2 root over of 1 plus z square plus c. So your answer is 1 plus z square. Z square means 1 by x square plus c. So this will be minus 1 by x root over of x square plus 1 plus c. Next question. Under root 1 plus x square by 1 minus x square dx. Multiply this by root over of 1 plus x square in the numerator and denominator, so we get this. Next, I can write 2 minus 1 minus x square. In the denominator, this is will be 2 integration dx by 1 minus x square under root 1 plus x square, and then minus integration dx by root over of 1 plus x square. Let this be 2i1 and this be i2. Say. Now i2 is very simple. I2 now i1 is to be calculated now. Now I1 is integration dx by 1 minus x square root over of 1 plus x square. Here let x is 1 by z. So dx will be minus 1 by z square dz. So I1 will be minus integration dz by z square, then 1 minus x square is 1 by z square under root 1 plus 1 by z square. Let me erase this part. becomes minus integration z appears, this will appear in the numerator, z dz, this is z square minus 1 and this is root over of z square plus 1. So let us take z square plus 1 as u. So we get 2z dz du. So this will be minus half bu z square minus 1. So u minus 2 and this will be root u. Now better let us take q square. Then this will be 2z dz 2u du. 2 cancel, so you get minus u du. This will be u square minus 2 and this will be u. Okay, but u cancel. Now this is in a good position. Minus integration du by u square minus root 2 whole square. So this will be minus 1 by 2 root 2 ln of mod of u minus root 2 u plus root 2 plus c. Now just write u. U is root over of z square plus 1. Let me use here. Minus 1 by 2 root 2 ln of mod of u is root over of z plus 1 z square plus 1 minus root 2 by root over of z square plus 1 plus root 2 plus c. Next we have to put z equals to 1 by x. Then we get minus 1 by 2 root 2 ln of mod of root 2 over of x square plus 1 minus root 2x root 2 over of x square plus 1 plus root 2x plus c. This is I1. Next I2. I2 is ln of mod of 1 plus root over of 1 plus x square plus c2. Let's this be c1. So finally our integral I will be twice I1 that is 1 by minus 1 by root 2 ln of mod of root over of x square plus 1 minus root 2x root over of x square plus 1 plus root 2x minus I2 minus ln of mod of root over of 1 plus x square plus c. This is our final answer. Okay. Next, number 3. Dx by x square plus 4 under root x square plus 1. Let x equals to 1 by z. So dx will be minus 1 by z square dz minus dz by z square 1 by z square plus 4 under root 1 by z square plus 1 minus z dz by 4z square plus 1 under root z square plus 1. Next, we have to take z square plus 1 as u square. We get 2z dz 2u du. So this will be minus u du. Z square is u square minus 1. So this will be 4u square minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3. This will be u. U will be cancelled. This will be minus 1 by 4 integration du by u square minus root 3 by 2 whole square. So we have taken z square plus 1 is u square. So z square is u square minus 1. 4 into u square minus 1, 4u square minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. So answer will be minus 1 by 4, 1 by 2 a ln of mod of u plus root over of u minus root 3 by 2 u plus root 3 by 2 plus c. So this will be minus 1 by 4 root 3 ln of mod of u was root over of z square plus 1. So 2u, that is 2 root over of z square plus 1 minus root 3 2 root over of z square plus 1 plus root 3 plus c. Next we have to put z is 1 by x. So answer will be 2 under root x square plus 1 minus root 3 times x, 2 under root x square plus 1 plus root 3 times x plus same problem. Next question. They are all similar problems. I can give you this as homework. Let me give you as homework. Integration dx by x square minus 1 under root x square plus 1. The answer will be minus 1 by 2 to ln of mod of root 2 times x plus under root x square plus 1 by root 2 times x minus under root x square plus 1 plus c. Next homework, integration dx by 1 plus x square under root 1 minus x square. Its answer is minus 1 by root 2 tan inverse of, let me do this one, give another one as well. Dx by 2x square plus 3 under root x square minus 4. Its answer is 1 by 2 to the 33 ln of mod of root 11x plus under root 3x square minus 12 by root 11x minus under root 3x square minus 12 plus c. Let me do this one. Dx by 1 plus x square under root 1 minus x square. So first let x is 1 by z, that implies dx is minus 1 by z square dz. This will become minus dz by z square into 1 plus 1 by z square under root 1 minus x is 1 by z, so this is 1 by z square. Now this becomes minus integration z goes to the numerator, here it becomes z square plus 1, this is root over of z square minus 1. Now let z square minus 1 as u square, you get 2z dz 2u du. So here we get minus integration u du by z square is u square plus 1, u square plus 2, and this is u, root over of z square is u, u cancelled. So this becomes minus integration du by u square plus root 2 square. So this will be minus 1 by root 2 tan inverse of u by root 2 plus c. So minus 1 by root 2 tan inverse of what was our u? U is root over of z square minus 1. So this will be z square minus 1 by 2 plus c. What was our z? Z was 1 by x. So this will be minus 1 by root 2 tan inverse. This will be root over 1 plus x square root 2 times x plus c. Okay. Here is minus. Okay, minus. So we have completed our indefinite integral syllabus. Best of luck. You do a lot of practice at your home with different reference book. Then we'll have a grip on this, and hope you will do your best in your exam. Okay. Bye bye. In my next class I am coming with definite integral. Okay, till then, bye.